again. We had our checkpoint last episode right over here in this little house right here. And Purple Parrot Party Palace. If you haven't seen the other two videos, come check this one out. So here we are. We're going to this bridge. Even though we're not going to go up the ladder today. Yeah. Ugh. Sorry, just had to scratch my chin. Okay. Oh, there's a parrot statue. Hey, parrot, you want some fish? Your life depends on it. Here's another ladder. We're gonna have checkpoints. Like, that was our first checkpoint, that house. And if you need to go back, you can just use your elytra. Which, I got my elytra. Where? No, I don't want to go anywhere. Okay, I kind of went somewhere. I can just speed this up by flying. I'm in creative mode because you don't see the row of hearts. We're at the hunger bar. Dum 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 dum. Oh, there's the stairs. Sorry, I was kind of distracted for a few seconds. This is actually kind of quick. So we're going to have our checkpoint at the Purple Palace, which is going to be right up ahead soon. That's going to be our checkpoint for today. And we're going to leave you on a cliffhanger. What's going to happen at the... It doesn't look like a purple palace. It looks more like an emerald green palace. Hiya! Ugh. Yeah, ba-dum-bum. So, we're gonna stop at this chest. Because something's important inside. See you guys!